is how I get my videos from sounding like this to sounding like this. One problem a lot of content creators face, especially beginners who are on a budget, is to get access to good audio gadgets to give them great audio quality. Now, it's not always the case for people like me who only use the microphone inbuilt in our phones to shoot content. Now, there's this AI website I use to always enhance my audio quality. That's why you're listening to the audio as if it was recorded on a professional microphone. So without much talking, let's get into the video. Okay, so you basically just have to open up your web browser, you go to the address bar and you type ai-acoustics.com. Now this is an AI website that uses AI to enhance audio quality and reduce noise in your audio. So after opening the website, you click on login here and you're going to have two options for creators and for developers. We are creators, so we're going to go with the options under creators. Now there are still two options on creators. We have login and we have sign up. Login if you have an account already signed up on this website. Sign up if you want to sign up a new account. So I'm just going to click on login because I have an account. It's going to take me to this login page. I basically just have to enter my email and password, then click on continue. Basically can just drag and drop audio files on here, even video files to enhance the quality. And take note that it supports many file types like WAV, MP3, MP4 and many more. And you can also read their data policy here on how they are going to use the data. And you have a max duration of 10 minutes per audio file. So if you have a file like, let's say 30 minutes, you can cut it down into 3 and upload them separately, enhance the audio and bring it back into your editor. And the max size for each audio file should be 100 megabytes. So always keep that in mind before using this. And it's a free plan, so you have like a cap for the duration you can enhance audio for an entire month, which is something you also have to take note of, but it's quite enough for a content creator who is a beginner. So I'm just going to click on select here, select my audio file, select the audio file, and I'll click on open. Now the audio file will be uploaded and enhanced automatically. I don't have to do anything like reduce this or add this. So I'm just going to sit back, wait for it to process, and when it's done, get back.
Few seconds later.
So when your audio file has finished processing, you're going to have this enhanced rating message and the status is going to be read as completed. Now before you download the audio file, always come to and click on this play button. Here you can adjust the settings. Maybe you have had an audio file with specific sounds you wanted to include in your audio, but if you allow it at 100% enhancements, that sound might have completely been removed. So I'm just going to reduce the enhancement back to the original, and let's play and listen to the audio before enhancing. AI Acoustics offers AI-driven tools that enhance audio quality by removing background noise, cancelling. Okay, so this is the audio quality before enhancement, and let's set it to 100 and listen to the audio after enhancement. AI Acoustics offers AI-driven tools that enhance audio quality, but you get the difference. So you can basically just adjust this slider here to suit your taste or your preference on how the audio should be cleaned. And when you're done, you basically just have to click on download and the audio file will be downloaded. So I'm just going to choose a location and I'll click on save. Now a lot of people are going to say, yeah, there's Adobe Podcast Enhancer and all that. People have used the tool, and at the end of the day I always come back to AI Acoustics for one of three reasons. Easy to use, the audio quality is great, and of course it is free, and the freedom of usage is quite enough for a beginner content creator. Now if you found this helpful, please leave a comment and also like this video. Also subscribe to this channel, and as always, it's T for Tech. Peace.